Hey, what's up guys, my name is Awais and I've got another video while we isolate. Hope you guys are safe. It's a short video, so let's start with the unboxing. The iPad I have here is the 11-inch iPad Pro in space grey. When this was rumoured, I think since then most of us have been eager for it to be released, and here it is. You get the usual, the Apple stickers, terms and condition, and also the user guide. You also get the USB-C charge cable and the 18-watt USB-C wall charger. I'm going to quickly set this iPad out. You get the dark mode with the iOS and some pretty cool new features, including the cursor support. I'll get to this in a moment. On the front you have a 7-megapixel f2.2 aperture camera, and on the rear you have a ultra-wide 10-megapixel f2.4 aperture camera with 125 degrees field of view and a 12-megapixel wide f1.8 aperture camera. This isn't as good as the iPhone 11 camera, of course, but it's definitely one of the best on any of the tablets that are out there at the moment. On the top you have the power button and 2 of the 4 stereo speakers. On the right side you have the volume up and volume down button and the magnetic spot for the Apple Pencil 2. On the bottom you have a USB-C input for charging the iPad and the other 2 stereo speakers. Comparing it to the 12.9-inch iPad, you can easily see the difference in size. If you're looking for a small portable device, then go for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Now, comparing it to the previous generation iPad, the dimension and the form factor hasn't changed. You can see the obvious change, which is the new camera system. Let's have a look at the two from the front, and yeah, you can't really tell the difference between the two. And if you're a medical student or an art student, then these are a must-have in 2020 for taking notes, marking a PDF, articles, sketching, or whatever other reasons you may have. I would definitely recommend you getting the Apple Pencil 2 if you're going to be investing in the iPad Pro. It's so easy to set up, just place it on the iPad and voila. It's pricey, but it's well worth the money. I've made a full in-depth video using the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. I've gone through all the technical details, including showcasing the cursor support and also showing how the LiDAR scanner works. The link will be in the description below, or you'll see a card pop up just here in a second. Click on that and go check it out. If you're also looking to get a smart keyboard to go with the iPad Pro, then I've also made a video on that, and the link for that will be in the description below as well. If you have any questions whatsoever regarding the iPad, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.